Hello friends, hope you guys are doing good. Today we will see how to create new Android application. File, new project. See, there is already lot of predefined structures available in Android Studio. We will see each and every one in later. It will be useful to choose better project structure in real-time development. See, Google Maps, login, scrolling, tabbed, native, available. Also there is available for Wear OS, TV, Android Auto, Android things. Today we will see how to create new Android application without no activity. Name, package name, save location, language, Java or Kotlin, minimum API level, Lollipop, Nougat, ice cream sandwich, Oreo. 6% only Oreo devices available. For Lollipop, 85% of devices available. Here you can see supplementary distribution percentage based on each OS. You can choose better. Okay, just choose Lollipop and OK. Finish. Process. Project is loaded. This is root of the all modules Build.Gradle. This is app modules Build.Gradle. So apply plugin Kotlin Android just refer here. You can change minimum SDK and here also. See, this is warning, yellow color warning. So focus the cursor on it. It says latest version is available. So Alt enter. It will suggest. Gradle wrapper properties, distribution path, Gradle distribution path, distribution URL. Tool.pro. This is used to secure our coding. Gradle properties. Use Android X true. Enable JT true. Okay. Settings start Gradle. You can include more than module here if you have. SDK path. Manifest is the root of the source code. There is no activity. Resource files. Drawables. IC launcher background. Okay. In Mipmap you can have pictures. Bitmaps. Value resources. Color resources. You can have color resources here. Here string resources. See, all our resources we separated based on our requirements for easy understanding. Colors, strings, styles. You can have everything in one file also. Thank you. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe, share your feedback also. Share with your friends. Thank you.